Hi guys, Michael Saylor has done a lot of interviews lately. One of the topics he hit on a lot was the subject of the Bitcoin ETFs in the US and how they're impacting the wider ETF space, both in the US and around the world. Specifically in this video, he makes some really interesting comments about what the smallest difference in fees can do to your investment over the long term. Check it out.
It also created a fee war. It used to be that you paid 2.5%, to hold your money in grayscale. And all of a sudden now you're paying 1.5% at grayscale, but you're paying 25 basis points at BlackRock, or you're paying 20 basis points and even 19 basis points. Not only that bring down fees for institutional holders of Bitcoin in the US, it also put pressure on international fees. So you actually saw a rippling effect, and people with European or Canadian or other spot ETFs in the rest of the world that had 100 basis point fees or 150 basis point fees, they're having to bring down their fees because otherwise the capital will flow out of their instrument into the lower cost instruments. So, yeah, let me convert the math here. If you have an infinite duration asset and you're going to put, if you're going to put money in it, then the difference between 2% fees and 25 basis point fee is losing 37% of your money. You understand? Like it's like I take a third of your money, okay? So if you're a Bitcoin investor, having low fees means you invest $1 million and you get to keep the $1 million. Having high fees mean you invest $1 million and you lose 300,000 of it over the course of 20 years. So those low fees are, well, where is that going to manifest itself? It's going to drive the price of the asset up, right? First of all, because the people that own the asset aren't losing 1 or 2% of their money every year. But second, because there are a lot of people that they will either invest $1 million in it or nothing, right? So if I like it, I'll just invest $1 million. If I don't like it, I'll invest nothing. So you start to see money flowing from gold into Bitcoin, from real estate into Bitcoin, from the S&P index into Bitcoin. And so that's a big deal. So